Hey everyone, it's Mark. I'm here to help you put more money in your pocket through credit cards and smart financial habits. If that sounds good to you, then do me a quick favor and click on the like and subscribe button down below. Also, be sure to check out the links down below in the description area for links to a bunch of different credit card offers from a ton of different banks. To get some free stocks from Webull when you open a new account and deposit $100 onto your brokerage account. To get some additional cash back when you shop online through Rakuten. And a fourth link to check out an offer for a really cool card that we're going to be talking about in this video. So I have a confession to make. It is May 2021 as I'm making this video, and this is the first time ever that I'm very excited about a debit card. Yeah, you heard that right, a debit card. Now, normally I'm only in favor of debit cards if you prefer to live a cash-based lifestyle. Perhaps you're a Dave Ramsey follower, and that's totally okay. For some people, living a cash-based lifestyle works a lot better because it allows them to manage their money and overall financial health much more effectively, and I think that's great. But for those people who have already built smart financial habits and use credit cards as if they were a debit card, meaning you don't spend more than you normally spend anyway, and when you get your bill, you pay the entire bill off in full to avoid all interest. As long as that represents how you handle your money, then I typically recommend a credit card because that way you'll earn rewards and also have additional insurance and protections on your purchases. And those are normally things that you do not receive with a typical debit card. That is, until now. Introducing the Point Card in Runway Yellow Edition. Check it out. You gotta admit, that packaging is darn cool. I shall now extract the card. You also have to appreciate their marketing. It even says, "I love when you hold me." And I do, in fact, feel the love. So what is this Point Card? Well, put quite simply, it's a debit card, but it's not your typical debit card that you're used to from Citibank or Bank of America or any of the old school traditional banks. The Point Card is a debit card with rewards, insurance protections, a network of partnerships, and a whole lot more all in one package. And I'm going to review it in this video. And believe it or not, we actually get to kick things off with the welcome bonus for a debit card. The public welcome bonus on the Point Card, which was valid starting on May 1st, 2021, is 500 points, and the value of those points is $5. And in case $5 does not get you all that excited, don't worry, it gets better. A lot better. Let's discuss how you can earn these 500 points. First of all, you'll get 100 points when you complete app onboarding, then 200 points when you connect an existing bank and make your first transfer of at least $100 into your Point account. And lastly, you can earn an additional 200 points when you complete your first physical or virtual Point Card debit transaction. Now, are you ready for something pretty cool? All right, here we go. I do have a very special limited time welcome bonus offer for all of you, and it will allow you to earn 10,000 points. Now here's how this works. You can earn these 10,000 points that are instantly redeemable for $100 in cash back after you sign up for Point using promo code MARKREESE and complete your first rewarded transaction before June 15th, 2021. And at the moment, I'm not sure if this offer will be extended or if it will come back around again, so if this does interest you, I recommend that you do apply as soon as possible. Now the Point Card does come in 4 different editions, so that way you can pick the one that best fits your personality or at least matches your favorite color. Let's check them out right now. You can choose from Runway Yellow, that's the cool one that I chose, Dam Orange, as in D-A-M Orange, Boulder Blush, and Copper Canyon. Now let's view how the Point Card earns points, and I think you're going to like the reward structure because it's actually better than some credit cards. When it comes to earning points, you'll begin with 5 points per dollar on subscriptions, and that is valid on Netflix, Hulu, HBO Max, YouTube Premium, Spotify, Pandora, Feather, and Headspace. Then you'll earn triple points on food delivery, and that is valid on DoorDash, Uber Eats, Postmates, Caviar, Grubhub, Seamless, Instacart, and GoodEds. That's followed by another triple point category on rideshare, which works on Uber, Lyft, and Lime, and a third category that typically earns triple points or better on what are called Access Partners, and that is in the Access tab in the app, which I'll show you a little bit later in this video. And finally, you'll earn 1 point on all other purchases. The annual fee on the Point Card is $49. Now, since the Point Card is not your typical debit card issued by a legacy-style bank, let's take a look at the app experience because it's the app that pretty much controls everything. First, starting on the far left is the home screen, and I absolutely love what they've done with this screen here because it shows you your current balance in terms of how much money you have loaded into your point account to spend, as well as how many points you have available to redeem for more cash back. That's displayed there toward the top under the word today. Then below that, toward the middle of the screen, it shows you your latest payment, which for me was Albertsons for $71.20, where I earned 71 points. Then on the right-hand side of that first home screenshot, you can see where it says go to my account. So once you click that vertical bar, it then brings you to the cash section or the cash tab on the menu system. This is where you can view your cash balance, add additional cash to your account, and also view your cash-based transactions where you have purchased items or goods. So for me, you can see my Albertsons transaction, my cashback redemption where I redeemed 5,000 points for $50 of cash back. I also went to Trader Joe's, redeemed some more points for more cash back, and purchased a water bottle. Now I realize it might be a bit small on your screen, but if you look at the very bottom far left of that cash screenshot, you can see the word cash. Those 4 icons represent the 4 main sections of the menu. So going over one to the icon of the little present, that is the points section of the app, which is displayed as the middle screenshot on your screen. This is where you go to view your point balance, to redeem your points for cash back, and also view the transactions for which you've earned points there at the bottom. Now going over to the cards section of the menu, you can see your physical card and your virtual card, which is issued immediately upon signing up for the app. And by simply tapping on either of those images, the card will flip over so you can see your card information, which is very useful if you're shopping online and need to type in your 16-digit card number. And the last icon on the menu is called Access. This is where you can view limited time elevated offers to earn additional bonus points across a network of partnerships. Now here are some screenshots of additional Access partners showing some offers that I saw in my app at the time I made this video. There was Target to earn 15 points per dollar. Translation, 15% cash back at Target. And have you forgotten that this is a debit card? Triple points at Whole Foods, triple points at Amazon, triple points at Trader Joe's, 5 points per dollar at Best Buy, triple points at Chipotle, triple points at coffee shops, and there may be some additional offers like the one you see for Instacart where it gives you 2 months free. So while that one is not based upon earning points, it still gives you some savings or some additional value. All of these offers are for a limited time basis, and each different card that you see there shows the expiration date for each offer. So as you can imagine, it's pretty easy to earn a lot of points very quickly with this card. Now let's see how you can redeem them. For some of this, you can redeem your points for cash back in the app, and they are instantly added to your account and therefore instantly redeemable. The value of each point is 1 cent per point, so that would make 10,000 points worth $100. Don't forget those 10,000 points are waiting for you when you sign up for the point card with the promo code MARKREES. Now let's take a look at the benefits of this card. First is a virtual point card number. This allows you to keep your physical card number safe so that we can use the virtual card number when you transact online. You'll also receive 2 free ATM withdrawals per month, allowing you to withdraw from any ATM regardless of the network globally. Those ATM fees will be reimbursed for up to 2 withdrawals per month, up to a maximum of $8, credited to your account in equivalent points value. So if there were a $4 ATM fee, then you would get 400 points issued to you after that, and that would be instantly redeemable for $4 of cash back, therefore wiping out your ATM fee. You'll also receive unlimited quick bank transfers. Incoming bank transfers typically arrive within 1 to 3 business days, Monday through Friday, excluding public holidays, when initiated inside the Point app. There are also no international travel fees, so this will cover foreign merchant transaction fees at MasterCard locations outside the US. And as I also showed you earlier, there are Access partner offers and discounts so that we can earn bonus points and additional discounts with up-and-coming brands. Now, as you're probably used to with most debit cards, when you receive it, it's automatically linked to your checking account with the same bank that issued that debit card to you. For example, if you sign up for a Citibank checking account, you would then get a Citibank debit card, and every time you swipe or use that card to buy something, it automatically deducts that same amount from your checking account balance. But since there's no point card branch network, how do you actually get your card associated with your funds? Well, let me now show you how to actually fund your point account. Step number 1 is to go to the Cash tab. You can see it there on the horizontal menu at the bottom of your screen, boxed in red with the red arrow. Once you're on that screen, you'll then click on Add Cash, which is the yellow button at the top, also boxed in red with a red arrow. After you tap on Add Cash, you'll then be brought to step 2. This is where you can select your preferred method of funding your account. You can choose to do a bank transfer, which means your funds will come in from a bank account, for example, your checking or your savings account at a different bank. You can also use this feature to transfer out to a bank, for example, if you want to take your point balance and transfer some of it to an external account. There's also auto transfer, which is the same as bank transfer but automatically on a schedule, and you can even choose direct deposit. This allows you to deposit your paycheck directly into your point account. And lastly, you can also fund your point account via another payment app, including Venmo, the Cash App, or Apple Cash. So if you're wondering, is the point card just like a reloadable debit card? Well, in a way it kind of functions like that, but it's actually a lot more than just a reloadable debit card because your funds in your point account are actually FDIC insured. So it's also like a digital checking account, and that's why you can do direct deposit to it as well. So if you don't have your normal checking or savings account with another bank, you can actually use your point card pretty much for everything. Now it gets even better with the insurance and protections. The point card also gives you phone insurance, new purchase insurance, zero liability coverage, deposit insurance, trip cancellation insurance, car rental insurance, and global travel assistance. Feel free to pause this screen as long as you like to read some of the more fine print in terms of each one of these coverages. So should you get the point card or not? Let me help you make the right decision for you. You may want to consider getting the point card if you spend on streaming, food delivery, rideshare, or any of the access partners, if you prefer cashback over travel rewards, if you prefer debit cards over credit cards, if you prefer a cash-based lifestyle over credit, if you want to better control your spending, if you value phone protection and other insurances that you may not have with another credit card, if you want to complement your credit cards with a debit card offering strong rewards, or if you don't have a traditional checking or savings account. All that said, you probably want to avoid this card if you don't spend on the available categories or access partners, if you prefer travel rewards over cashback, or if you have a credit card with overlapping rewards or protections. Now lastly, let's wrap up with a few things that are really good to know about the point card. You'll apply for the point card inside the Point app, and you can begin using it instantly. Given that this is a debit card, there is no credit check required. And as you use the card for your day-to-day transactions, there is no cap to how many points you can earn. The physical card is a contactless card, so you can tap to pay, and of course both the physical and the virtual cards are also mobile wallet friendly. The banking services inside the Point app to actually hold your funds are offered by Radius Bank, member FDIC, and it's good to be aware of the fund transfer limits. For direct deposits or transfers originating outside of the Point app, there is a $4,000 per transaction and per day limit. For ACH pulls originating from within the Point app, there is a $1,000 per transaction and per day limit, and a $2,500 per month limit. And for MasterCard or Maestro Instant Load, there is a $2,500 per transaction and per day limit, or a $10K per month limit. And that's a wrap for the point card. I've got to say I'm very excited about this debit card offering because there are tons of people out there who prefer a debit or cash-based lifestyle over a credit-based lifestyle. The reasons, of course, can be many, but nonetheless, it's a great competitive offering to the credit card landscape, especially because it offers very, very strong rewards and fantastic insurance coverages. And one of my favorite things is the ability to instantly redeem. So for example, when I was shopping at Trader Joe's and Albertsons, I was running low on funds. I had some points to use. I redeemed my points in the app while I was in the supermarket, and they were available as cash instantly to use by the time I got to the register. That type of speed and convenience and ease of use definitely won me over for the point card. And with all that said, if you enjoyed today's video and believe it could benefit others, then please help me get it in front of more people by liking this video, subscribing to the channel, and turning on notifications. Also check out the links down below in the description area to browse a ton of great credit card offers from a bunch of different banks, to get some free stocks from Webull when you open a new account and deposit $100 onto your brokerage account, to get some additional cash back when you shop online through Rakuten, and of course some information about the point card offer. You could earn up to 10,000 points worth $100 of cash back when you sign up using the promo code MARKREESE before June 15th. So really, I would make sure that you apply by June 14th or earlier if this offer interests you. And of course, if you have questions or comments or thoughts about the point card, drop them down below in the comments area. Again, I do have the point card myself, so if you have any questions, I'm happy to answer them for you based on my personal experience. I thank you all for watching today's video. I hope it brought you some great value. I'll see you again in future videos, and until then, remember, you are great.